What is DMT? DMT is a powerful psychedelic compound found naturally in various plants and animals, and it can also be synthesized in a laboratory. DMT is known for its rapid onset and intense psychedelic experiences, which often include profound alterations in sensory perception, emotions, and sense of time and space. DMT is one of the main psychoactive compounds in ayahuasca, a traditional South American brewed tea used for spiritual and healing purposes by indigenous peoples of the Amazon. When consumed as part of ayahuasca, DMT's effects are extended due to other components in the brew that inhibit enzymes in the body that would otherwise break down DMT quickly. When smoked or vaporized, DMT produces a short but intense visual and auditory hallucinogenic experience lasting about 5 to 15 minutes. The effects are so powerful and rapid that users often describe it as being shot out of a cannon into a different dimension filled with vivid, often complex, and sometimes bewildering imagery and concepts. DMT is classified as a Schedule I controlled substance in the United States and in many other countries, indicating that it is illegal to manufacture, buy, possess, or distribute without a license or appropriate exemption, and is considered to have no accepted medical use and a high potential for abuse. Despite its legal status, there is ongoing research into the potential therapeutic effects of DMT in treating conditions such as depression and anxiety. How did the ancient Indians use DMT for unfolding consciousness? Ancient indigenous cultures in South America, particularly in the Amazon basin, have a long history of using DMT as a means to facilitate spiritual experiences and explore consciousness. One of the most well-known traditional uses of DMT is through ayahuasca, a psychoactive brew. Here's a closer look at how DMT and ayahuasca have been used. Ayahuasca brew. Composition. Ayahuasca is made from the Banisteriopsis caapi vine and other plants, notably those containing DMT like Psychotria viridis, chacruna, or Diplopteris cabrerana, chalipanga. The bee caapi vine contains harmala alkaloids, which are monoamine oxidase inhibitors, MAOIs. These alkaloids inhibit the enzyme monoamine oxidase in the body, which typically breaks down DMT, thus allowing it to be orally active and produce prolonged psychoactive effects when ingested. Preparation and ritual. The preparation of ayahuasca is a complex process, often carried out by a knowledgeable shaman or curandero. The ingredients are cleaned and boiled for several hours to create a concentrated liquid. The brewing and the subsequent ceremony are considered sacred, and they involve a range of rituals and specific intentions set by the participants and the shaman. Spiritual and healing use. In traditional settings, ayahuasca is used not just for exploring consciousness, but also for healing. Participants often enter the experience with specific questions or seek insights regarding personal or communal issues. It is believed that the ayahuasca experience can lead to profound revelations about the nature of oneself, the universe, and the spiritual world. It's used to cleanse the body and spirit, connect with the spiritual realm, and receive guidance from ancestors or spiritual entities. Unfolding consciousness. Visions and revelations. Users of ayahuasca often report vivid visions that can include encounters with spirit beings, reliving personal memories, and experiencing symbolic narratives. These experiences are interpreted by the participants and shamans to provide insights into personal and spiritual matters. Therapeutic insights. There is a belief that these visions and the introspective state induced by ayahuasca can help individuals confront emotional and psychological issues, leading to healing and growth. Contemporary interest. In modern times, interest in ayahuasca has spread globally, with many people from non-indigenous backgrounds seeking out the brew for spiritual exploration and psychological healing. This has led to discussions about the ethical implications of cultural appropriation and the sustainability of indigenous plant resources. Ancient practices involving DMT through ayahuasca provide a unique intersection of natural pharmacology, spirituality, and community healing, reflecting a profound understanding of the symbiosis between human consciousness and plant-based substances. Modern applications of DMT. DMT, N-Dimethyltryptamine, despite its historical and ongoing use in traditional contexts, has attracted considerable interest from modern science and medicine for its potential therapeutic applications. Here are some of the primary areas where DMT is being explored today. 1. Psychological and psychiatric research. Researchers are investigating the potential of DMT in treating various mental health disorders, including depression. Some studies suggest that DMT could help alleviate symptoms of depression, potentially offering rapid-acting effects. This is linked to its ability to induce powerful and introspective experiences that might help users reframe perspectives and achieve significant emotional release. Anxiety, particularly for individuals facing terminal illnesses. DMT, like other psychedelics, is being studied for its potential to reduce anxiety related to death and dying, helping individuals come to terms with their mortality through profound experiences of connection and transcendence. Substance abuse. There is interest in using DMT as a tool in addiction treatment, inspired by the success of other psychedelics that help break cycles of dependency by providing deep personal insights and emotional breakthroughs that can be transformative in the recovery process. 2. Neuroscientific research. DMT is a subject of interest in the field of neuroscience, where researchers study how it affects brain function. Brain activity. Studies using imaging technology look at how DMT affects various regions and networks in the brain, including those associated with vision, emotion, and memory. Understanding these interactions can help elucidate the biological basis of consciousness. Neuroplasticity. There's growing interest in how psychedelics like DMT may promote neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to form new connections, which could be crucial for their therapeutic effects. 3. Exploring consciousness. DMT continues to be a powerful tool for studying the nature of consciousness. Its ability to induce profound, altered states of consciousness rapidly allows researchers to explore subjective experiences, the constructs of self-identity, and the cognitive processes underlying these alterations. 4. Legal and controlled therapeutic use. In controlled settings, DMT might soon be part of therapy protocols, similar to how MDMA and psilocybin are currently being integrated into therapeutic practices for specific conditions under strict regulations. Clinical trials are needed to establish safe, effective protocols and to further understand the implications of its use. 5. Integration into modern health practices. As interest in holistic and integrative health continues to grow, therapies involving DMT, particularly those drawing from traditional uses like ayahuasca ceremonies, are becoming more prominent. This integration often focuses on spiritual well-being as a component of overall health. Ethical and regulatory considerations. The use of DMT in modern applications involves navigating complex ethical, legal, and cultural terrain. Issues include respecting indigenous knowledge and practices, ensuring sustainable and ethical sourcing of natural resources, and managing the legal implications of using a substance that remains illegal or controlled in many jurisdictions. Overall, the modern applications of DMT are diverse, reflecting its potential to address some of the more challenging conditions affecting human mental health, while also offering a unique window into the profound and often mystical aspects of human consciousness. DMT is a potent psychedelic compound that has historically been used in traditional indigenous rituals to explore consciousness and facilitate spiritual healing, most notably in the form of ayahuasca. In modern times, scientific and medical interest in DMT has surged due to its potential therapeutic benefits. Research is exploring its use for treating various mental health disorders such as depression, anxiety, and addiction, driven by its capacity to induce profound and introspective psychedelic experiences rapidly. Additionally, DMT offers valuable insights into the study of consciousness and brain function, highlighting its significant potential across disciplines. However, its use is complicated by legal restrictions and ethical considerations, including issues of cultural appropriation and sustainability. As we move forward, a balanced approach respecting both indigenous practices and scientific rigor will be essential in harnessing DMT's full potential responsibly. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel so we can explore more into subjects like these. Thank you.